In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in ClickUp. If you've ever needed to update your username, whether it's due to a change in your personal circumstances or perhaps just because you want something new, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through each step to make sure you can do this quickly and easily. First, let's get started by logging into your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your avatar. It might be a picture you uploaded or just the default icon. Go ahead and click on that avatar. This will open up a drop-down menu. Next, from the options presented, you'll want to select Settings. This is your one-stop shop for customizing many aspects of your ClickUp experience. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can make various adjustments to your profile and account settings. It's here that the magic happens. Once you're in the Settings section, look for a part labeled Profile. Under this section, you'll see fields where you can update your username. This is where you put the new name that you want to appear as in ClickUp. Simply click into the username field and type in your desired new name. Additionally, you have the option to change your email or password if you need to make those updates at the same time. After you've entered your new username, don't forget the very important final step. Scroll down to the bottom of the profile section and you'll notice a button labeled Save Changes. Go ahead and click on this to confirm your updates. This step is crucial, as it ensures all the adjustments you've made are stored and your new username is active. It's as simple as that. Within just a few clicks, you've managed to update your ClickUp name, making sure it's accurate and to your liking. Remember, while changing your username can be a small adjustment, it reflects your identity within ClickUp, so be sure it's what you want. That's all there is to it. By taking a couple of minutes, you've successfully updated your profile to keep up with whatever changes you need in your digital workspace. If you ever find yourself in need of making additional edits in the future, these steps will always be there, waiting, and now you know exactly how to navigate them with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy